This morning, I'm aware that the Chair for Education Committee also picked the document showing all the schools that the 11,000 classrooms we have done and the 7,000 classrooms that we are requesting you to do. So it may have delayed, but I can give you assurance that this has been shared so that in the remaining 2 months we can be able to conclusively finish the classrooms. But I can report that the 11,000 classrooms that we committed ourselves as government to do, Ministry of Education really, that they are already being done, ranging from 40% all the way to 100%, including the one we are commissioning today, which is at 100%. And we have already requested through CDF headquarters and through the Parliament leadership system, requesting our MPs to assist us also on oversight so that we can be able to fast track the completion of the classroom. Najua tuliconvert 46,000 teachers wenye walikuwa intern, kufikia January watakuwa permanent and pensionable, na tutachukua wengine 20,000 interns wengine 20,000 ili watusaidie kwa mambo ya grade 9. Sahizi wenzetu TSC wanaangalia wenye wako primary wenye wanaweza kutusaidia kufunza kwa junior school ili wao waendelee watusaidie, lakini kufikia January tutakuwa na walimu zaidi ya 80,000 wenye wanatusaidia kwa mambo ya junior school.